to introduce ourselves before. My name is Alora.
Hi, I'm Spyro. What are you, some kind of goat?
I'm a fawn, you dork.
Oh, sorry.
Did you meet the gym cutters in Glimmer?
Yeah, they gave me a souvenir, too. They called it a talisman.
They gave you a talisman?
What? Is it special? I just stuck it in the guidebook you gave me.
There are 14 talismans in Avalar, and they are all magical. If you can collect enough of them, they can be used to defeat Ripto. Hunter, where have you been? Collect the talismans.
I am?
Look, there's no way you can get... Look, there's no way you can get... Ripto and his monsters have taken over... Ripto and his monsters have taken over... You're going to have to go to Avalar... You're going to have to go to Avalar...